Five World Explorer here in Cuernavaca. We are still in Mexico, and today we came to visit our friend Anna, and she's gonna make a class, a cool class, how to make some natural product for the kids.
Hey guys! Hello!
Hi guys!
So let's start right away.
Okay, we're gonna make two products that are very useful for kids. One is gonna help you when you get, a mosquito bite. It's gonna help with the burn. It works really well. And the other one is for when you have a rash or you have, like a wound that's healing and you wanna, sometimes scratches. So you want it to help to heal better. Okay? So the first one's a Calendula Salt. This is the dried flowers of the calendula. Okay? The way to get the properties of the calendula, which is very good for the skin, you make an infusion. So this is olive oil that has been infused 3 weeks.
Calendula was infused with the olive oil?
Yes, and then I strained it. This is already strained.
Okay.
After 3 weeks, you strain it, and the olive oil has many properties of the calendula. So to make a salve, we're going to use the olive oil that is infused with the calendula. We're going to use 1/4 cup of beeswax, some drops of lavender oil, essential oil, a pinch of turmeric.
Guys, it's really cool because we have a multicultural experience right here because they speak Spanish. So you're gonna hear some Spanish in the video.
These two are Anna's kids.
Yay!
Eduardo y
Inés.
Hi guys.
How fast? Go.
You make these products normally?
It'll take me like 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
It's very easy,
Once you get the
We
hang of
have
it.
this dependence of buying things in stores, but there's so many things that we can do home.
Yeah.
And you can avoid all the preservatives and all the chemicals and all the nasty stuff that is very cheap.
Yeah.
And they don't tell us about it because in the labels, not everything is declared. So it's safer to do things.
Yeah.
So this is the reason why you decided to start making.
Yes, to avoid toxic chemicals. So we're gonna put a pinch of turmeric. Now the second part is we have to put this in the heat. I'm gonna use a double boiler.
Mamá, yo lo vacío.
Yes, mi amor. Espérame tantito. So we're just gonna put some water. It's gonna take like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes or something.
You can really smell the calendula.
Delicious.
You like it?
The beeswax is already melted. You wanna see? We're gonna add some lavender essential oil. So for this quantity, maybe we can do 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect.
10.
Each one gets a small jar.
Oh, can I have one?
You can very carefully pour in there.
This is mine.
Okay, stop.
I know what?
Great.
Thank you, Mom.
Don't mistake it for honey. It looks like honey.
Is there one left?
Careful, Mommy, be careful.
This is yours.
Good job,
Look at
Mommy.
this.
I know, right?
No.
Okay, so that's it, guys.
This is mine.
That's
This
it.
is mine.
We're gonna have to wait maybe like 10 minutes for it to solidify.
And then you can use it. Also, you can use it also on your lips when they're irritated.
Mama.
Yes.
Oh, it has many uses.
It's
then.
like kind of for any inflammation in the body.
Yes, because it's anti-inflammatory.
Mama.
Yeah. And calendula, that's the job of the calendula. And it's also antibacterial, so it's good for rash.
So we have to come back to bring the container then.
Please do.
Okay, we will.
Yeah, that'd be great. Okay.
Okay, thank
Good
you.
job. Apple cider vinegar is very useful. So what we can do is gather some herbs and flowers. Here, my daughter, she got rose petals, lavender, mint, yes. And we didn't have any chamomile, but we can use, from the kitchen. We can put some chamomile. And if you don't have fresh herbs, you can use, just your tea. You can use like green tea or peppermint tea and do the infusion. So
Wait, so the lavender you get from your house, from your garden?
yes.
Yes. Oh,
Yes.
cool.
The flowers, they absorb a lot of oil. So you really need a good press. So what I do is I fill the jar up to the top. And then I put the oil. And it fills all the spaces that are available.
So
Because you want a lot of flowers to have all the healing properties that are going to be infused in the oil. So with this, we're going to infuse it with apple cider vinegar. Infusion is a method of having some liquid get the properties of the herbs. So it can be an oil, it can be apple cider vinegar, it can be alcohol, like vodka or something. It can be water. When you make a tea, it's an infusion. What we want is the apple cider is very good for these things. So we wanna complement the apple cider with herbs, so it's gonna work faster. We shake it.
Oh, we shake it? Oh.
Yes.
And do you only do like natural remedies, or do you also do like, I don't know?
I try to avoid anything bought from the store.
Oh, okay.
That's my philosophy of life. The apple cider vinegar also takes a couple of weeks. And once you have that time infused, you can strain it and you get this. So this is an already infused apple cider
Oh, okay.
vinegar.
Basically, it's the same one. You just made it 3 weeks ago.
Yes, exactly. With this preparation, if it's gonna be for stinks, for mosquito bites, you can do half and half. For the water, it can be either distilled water, or if you have rose water, also helps. Okay, this is ready, guys. If tonight you get a mosquito bite, you can use it. But be careful, because if you have sensitive skin, you're gonna have to put more water. Depends. Or if you want to use it as a toner, because it's also, this is a recipe from the Middle Ages.
Okay.
It's called Queen of Hungary water. And it helps a lot with the skin. It's a chemical scrub, exfoliation. And the apple cider vinegar is able to break down the glue that binds the dead cells. So it's very easy to get rid of spot stains. So here is the Queen of Hungary water, ready for tonight mosquitoes.
So now we have to get bitten by a mosquito
Yeah.
just because.
You have to get bitten by
Yeah.
mosquitoes.
We all go
Okay,
outside
go
and
like
just-
that.
For the test subjects. Only do you make a large amount?
Yeah, I make like this. Because for myself and for a family of 4,
Yeah.
this can last like 6 months.
We're gonna show you what Anna real business is and real passion too.
So Anna, we are here with your actual products because she doesn't only make these remedies for friends and family.
And family,
She
right.
also sells some natural products that you can use for your house mainly. Can you tell us what everything is?
This is my, formal project, and the idea is that with very simple ingredients that are non-toxic, you can clean your house in the right way. So I started with the laundry detergent
Okay.
because in Mexico, when you walk through an aisle in the supermarket, when you have all of these products, it just smells so bad. It's just so strong.
That's true.
the
It's very
smells.
strong.
So I just couldn't go through there. I'm like, what am I gonna do? How I'm gonna wash my clothes? And so I decided to do some research, and I came up with this formula, and it was a lifesaver. And then when I had problems with more difficult stains, There's OxyClean and Vanish, but they, you know, they have perfume, they have synthetic surfactants, they have dyes, and you don't want any of that stuff.
No.
So I came up with this very simple formula, and you can get rid of many
stains.
of the stains.
So you put it with the when you do the laundry, you just mix together the two.
If you have kids, yes. One scoop of this one and one of this one. But if you're an adult and you don't have those problems, just once in a while, when, wine stain, then you only use this one and this one occasionally.
Okay.
And I decided to do also one for babies.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's important for little babies to avoid chemicals that are artificial.
Yeah, and they don't need those scents.
Adults are fixed with the idea that if something smells, it's cleaner. There's like this prejudice.
Yes, that's true.
It doesn't smell, so it's not clean.
Yeah.
But this is an option if you want to have like really like authentically clean clothes, because there's no residue. There's no brighteners. There's no dyes or perfumes or any
It's all
like
natural.
nasty chemical. And then for the house, for cleaning, like countertops or when a dog pees. Yeah,
And Anna has 4 dogs.
I have this multi-purpose cleaner.
Okay.
And you do 2 concentrations, because this is like the main one, and you have the refill. So when you get this one, you have included
The 2 bottles.
the 2 bottles, and you do just a different
Dosage.
dose, because this one is for the kitchen
Okay.
and for the floors, and this one is for the bathroom and for your shower.
So just a different amount you will put in depending.
This has more cleaning power.
Okay.
You just spray and then you clean it with a damp cloth.
Okay.
And with very simple ingredients, you can clean your house.
Yeah.
And you can, you have no worries about, all the residue. Even, this, you can wash your hands. There's absolutely no problem.
And Anna does her own packaging. So everything comes from here.
Yeah.
It's not sent somewhere else to do. So everything is done from her. I saw her packaging earlier.
Yes, and the idea is to have also a line that is powder and solid, because that way we can avoid the plastic bottle.
Yeah.
Because that is another big problem. All the plastic bottles that are accumulating
Everywhere.
in the ocean,
Yes.
and also the products that come packaged in a plastic bottle. They need preservatives, they need emulsifiers, they need all these chemicals that are not necessary to clean.
And we don't even think about that.
No.
We have no.
Because also the labels are not really honest, they don't really declare all the ingredients. So you, as a consumer, you have very little possibility to know what's really in there, and you're, spending your life in your house with all these chemicals.
Yes.
So the idea is that when you use products like this, you can reduce the burden of all the toxic chemicals that your body, is continually being exposed to. Yeah.
And then we have some other little things there.
Yeah, I like to make a lot of things.
I
in the
know!
house, because they taste so much better. If you make a mayonnaise in the house, if you
That's
make your
true.
own ketchup, we make Oreo cookies. It's really nice to see the kids compare, the packaging.
Yeah.
The ones you buy in the store and the ones you make at home.
Yes.
With the good ingredients, it's just so different.
So different, yes.
Has nothing
That's
to do.
true.
This is a vermouth that I made. It's an infusion. And my recipe has only 25 ingredients. You can make a very herbal drink, and it has nothing to do with something that you buy in the store.
And it's
incredible.
you drink it at the end of a meal.
Either an aperitif or
Okay.
digestive, both.
It helps for the digestion though.
It does.
Okay.
It does, because it has so many herbs. It has
yeah.
chamomile. It has wormwood. It has so many.
So
incredible.
that's what I'm trying later on.
And later we're gonna taste it. Sorry.
Sorry.
This is a face cream because it's been like 15 years since I don't buy a face cream. I don't buy any.
And your skin is
any.
perfect.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you, thank
I need
you.
that face
Now
cream.
you have to get it.
No, because if you buy store-bought things, the preservatives are very aggressive to the skin, so it just doesn't work.
So you make your own face cream,
Face cream.
but you don't sell that yet.
To my friends.
Is that she
And
needs
she's
to
my
sell.
friend.
And I'm our friend now. So our suggestion is that she should sell all these beautiful products she makes to everybody.
Maybe
So-
later. These are soaps. What I do is twice a year I make soap for the house. So this is for cleaning, and this one is for the body. Cleaning clothes, washing the dishes. So there are different recipes because the one that is for the body has more oil to be more emollient.
Okay.
And this one has less oil, so it can, take away the, the grease from the pans. And this one is coconut oil because, Mexico is full of coconut.
So might as well use that.
So this one, I like very much the recipe.
We all think it's chocolate.
I know. It's coffee.
Oh, this is for me.
It is funny, guys. You didn't see it before, but Luca went there and he wanted to try to eat it.
Yeah.
Because he was thinking it was chocolate.
So it's coffee with sea salt from Guerrero, Playa Ventura. And it has essential oil
it smells so
of lavender and tea tree. And the synergy between these ingredients helps you clean the energy. So it's very helpful. You have a very restful night.
This is really interesting.
Very informative.
Yes.
Can I share some recipes?
Yes, we are going to add the recipes in the video.
Okay.
Because she was happy to share some with us and with all of you that are following us. Thank you, Anna, for all this knowledge you shared with us today and with our kids, because we really want to blow their minds with all the good information.
And the possibility.
And the possibilities. And this is a great possibility. We already started doing a little bit in our camper van of more natural products, and this is an extra inspiration. Now we have to do more products. Okay. Thank you again.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Anna.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Anna, for teaching us
Luca.
today.
Bye.
And guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.